Everyone, hope so you all are doing good. In this video I'll show you how to disable or off TalkBack in Samsung A27. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe and watch our complete video.